Okay, I'm driving around. This is Flamingo Crossings. This is a nice area. So, Homewood Suites, home to, that right there is Residence Inn. I will find out what the pink building is. I don't see, but I will find out. Spring Hill Suites and Town Place Suites is across the way. This is the shopping area that's literally like right in front. Oh, there's Town Place Suites over there. So it's over there. We've got restaurants, Five Below, PETA, Lime and Grill, Cinnamon Hollow, and the anchor store is Target. Looks like White Rabbit Dessert Experience. This is a nice area of town. I don't know what's up there. I'll go find out. That's a Walgreens. UPS store if you have to mail stuff back. That's important to know. Or just go in Target and buy a suitcase. So yeah, Target. I'm gonna go in this Target because I need a few things. I was gonna go to Walgreens, but then when I saw it was a Target. It's a small Target, so what I call baby Target. If y'all have smaller ones and big ones at your house, we have a really big one with grocery store that we call Big Target, and then a little one that doesn't have groceries we call Baby Target. Looks like Firehouse is across the street. There's Pieology, which is pizza. We have that at home. So yeah, I mean, this is a Five Guys right there. That's Five Guys. This is a great location. Now, all of these hotels over here in Flamingo Crossing can be packaged with Disney tickets, but none of them have early entry. But a lot of people, I mean, if they don't want early entry, don't either. This is a great location. And I'm just outside the gates on the Animal Kingdom side. We do have a complete tour of Homewood Suites, including a room. If you'd like to see it, click here.